Good morning, guys. I know I have been lost for a very long time. I've been missing in action. So let me introduce myself. I have a little horse. I was sick with some flu all week last week. Um, my name is Nalini. And I have three sons, Amir, Salman, and Shoaib. But this is Shoaib. He's autistic. He's the small one. And this is Salman. Say hi.
Hi.
And my other son, I had a major breakdown. That's why I was off for almost a year. I got separated from my husband, 27 years of marriage. I found out he was cheating with another woman. And he went and married her last year, May. So I was really in a different world. That's why I wasn't coming on my channel. And my big son also left my home about a year now too. So it's just me and the two small boys. That's why I have been off of my channel. Sorry about this. And good morning, guys. And this morning I'm gonna be making some potato roti, aloo roti. So aloo, I already boil it, mash it. I add some red chili, some grind jeera or cumin, some salt, some butter. This is like 4 small potatoes, aloo, and this is my flour. I add like 2.5 cups flour, and I add some salt and some oil, and I mash it and leave it. So I'm gonna do the filling now. Try to cut them in small pieces, equal pieces. I hope to get like couple roti from this. I don't think it will be do for all the flour, but I still make it. Then I will try to roll this, get it round. I know, guys, I've been missing from my channel for a very long time. Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Please, guys, help me out. This one is a little one. So what I'm gonna do is try to roll them out. So we're gonna roll these out like this. Then we're gonna close this up. I'm gonna make sure everything is squeezed and locked properly. And then we're gonna roll it a little. And then we're gonna press it down. Put some flour, put it there. And the same process we're gonna do for all. In this little bowl I have some vegetable oil and butter to cook it. My space is not that much big in my kitchen, but I make much with whatever. I try to get it to look properly and then twist it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Because you don't want it to burst and you or come out anywhere. So you try to squeeze it. So we're gonna leave this to sit a little and then start to roll it out to cook. So we're gonna put on the pan to cook the roti, right? And it gets the flipper, the roti flipper for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna roll them out. We're gonna lightly press on them, not too much because we don't want them to burst. So we're gonna we don't want it to paste on the counter too. So we're gonna try to put some butter, some flour, dry flour. This part is broken already. We gotta wait for the pan to hot good. Oops, this one is broken too. I think my pan is hot now, so I'm gonna put one inside. I'm gonna flip this. Some butter and some some oil on it. I'm gonna flip again. Some more butter, some more oil. Put the stove on medium heat. This one is finished. I'll put the next one on. A little accident there with the oil and the butter. Everything went on the clock, so we're gonna make another set. Where is the oil? Some butter. This one actually came out so good, guys. I don't know why. You see the ends didn't come out? Maybe this had the exact amount of potatoes inside. This is my last one to roll out. Last one, guys. And butter it. Let's give this another flip. Butter it. Let's break one of this roti to check it, guys. Look at it, yummy. Look at the inside, guys. Oh. I'm gonna give this one to Shoaib. He is hot. This thing is not to flip roti, but I can't find my flipper, so I'm using that. Finish. I'm gonna put the other one on. So guys, this is the one that didn't burst, and look how it is swelling. You see, guys? But all the other ones, they were burst, so they didn't really swell that much. But this one swelled because it didn't burst. That was the potato, guys. I'm lacking the potato. This one is finished. Have one more. So this one is finished. So we're gonna have cut this one and have salmon taste it. This is the middle, guys. Finished touch. Pause it, salmon.
Wow, so yummy. It's just really good.
That's an honest review. Show them the inside. Open it. Yeah.